The Waste Management Organization Street Representative is calling on residents across Soweto to actively participate in its cleanup campaign, warning that irresponsible waste disposal poses serious health and environmental risks. The initiative, first launched in March 2026, is now in a second rollout and takes place on the 16th of every month to promote cleaner and healthier living environments. Chairperson Sarah Chauke says widespread littering is not only threatens public health, but also can cause harm to the local economy by deterring potential investors, particularly as Soweto remains a key tourism hub.
Njengoba kumkhankaso wokuhlanza indawo yase Orlando West ku Ward 39 ungenele esigabeni sesibili kulenyanga, kuya ngokwanda kokukhathazeka ikakhulukazi ngendlela abantu abaqhubeka ngayo nokulahla imfucuza. Inhlangano eqhuba lomkhankaso ithi ke kuyoba yichilo kuyivakashi nabatshali imali uma befica le ndawo ikulesimo, babeke sebenxusa umphakathi ukuthi usebenze ngokubambisana.
Our ward is a very busy ward in terms of business, in terms of tourism. This ward is busy kakhulu. So it would be nice if we keep it clean as well. Konamanje, we are facing June 16. We will be having a lot of people coming into our ward. Our ward is very historical. So abantu bazoza, abantu abaphuma ngaphandle baze kuyiward engcolile. Siyacela ukuthi please asincedisaneni siwumphakathi ukuthi let's keep our ward clean at all times. Ngeke ngasho na last time ukuthi as much as singabazali sikhala ngokuthi sifuna abantwana bethu bathola imisebenzi, if somebody uyadlula la from kulama tourists azayo uyadlula and it's somebody or potential in terms of maybe investing, how can a person invest in a dirty place like this?
Kanti komeleza emvelo kuyo lenhlangano uthi ke ukusebenza ngokubambisana kungakhipha komphakathi ezinkingeni ezihlukene njengoba ke imfucuza ibuye isetshenziselwe ukuqhuba izenzo zobugebengu.
An idle mind is the devil's playground. So konke okubi kwenzakala ngoba uhleli awenzi lutho. Find something to do. When you find something to do, then your mind will not be entertained by all the negative substances that the children are taking these days.
Anything that is waste in this area, in this particular area as we're at right now, has an impact to hide anything, any weapons that are being thrown away. It has an impact to also pollute whatever we are breathing in. So this is an impact on air pollution and of course in turn gets us sick.
Lenhlangano ithi isamile kwelokuthi izoqhubha inyanga nenyanga lomkhankaso kuze kube ke wonke amalungu omphakathi abamba iqhaza. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV kubika umqondisi Miyeni ngise Orlando West.